Hi guys, this is AQA Chemistry, giant ionic compounds. And so here we have a giant ionic compound. This is sodium chloride. It has sodium ions, which are the positive ions, and chloride ions, which are the negative ions. And they're in a lattice, so that means just a regular structure, and it's a solid. Now, because these have opposite charges, this creates strong electrostatic forces that act in all directions, so between all the positives and all the negatives. And so this means that it requires a lot of energy to break these bonds and these forces and break these bonds apart between the ions. And that means that it has very high melting and boiling points. But when dissolved in substances like water, and when it's dissolved it's called aqueous. When dissolved in substances like waters, the compound breaks up into ions. It also breaks up into its ions if it's molten. So that means when it's heated and turns into a liquid. And these ions can move about, and the negative ones can move, and that can carry electricity. So when aqueous or molten, they can conduct electricity. But when solid, it's in a very rigid structure, so it cannot conduct electricity. Examples of this are sodium chloride. So the positive ions are sodium, and the negative ions are chloride ions.